What's up, everyone? I have a new ornament for you today. I actually made this a couple of weeks ago, but this is a bridge ornament. So this is for your engineers, your civil engineers, mechanical engineers, friends, families, spouses. I actually designed this using Fusion 360. It was really fun to print. It did have some supports on the side, but it is in this tan color that mimics balsa wood. And this just brings back memories. Actually, I'm gonna have to take a final going over truss design, identifying zero force members, the forces within each member of the truss. If you are a non-engineer, these individual braces are called members, and a truss is just a collection of these members. So it's really cool. You can find this on Daisylite Creations on our Etsy shop. It's a family-run Etsy shop by myself, my Aunt Shirley, my Aunt Darlene, and we're excited to provide you these quality engineering themed ornaments because there's nothing out there like this. All right, bye.